name's Brian Grieve.
My name is Tracy Smith.
And together we're the creative directors for Emiliani Enterprises. And you know, we're very excited today. We're bringing you a bit of an exclusive. We've been invited to the beautiful home of one of the world's finest hairdressers. And we're delighted to be here to bring you this and have that moment to speak to the wonderful Tim Hartley. So Tim, thank you so much for inviting us to your home. It's a real privilege for myself and Tracy. So you know, let's start off with asking you about the Tim Hartley brand, because I know that's something that's very, very important to you. Can you share a little bit of where you're going with?
Having been associated with Sassoon and the best and the good and the great within the industry, I've concentrated in recent years on creating a look and feel for the Tim Hartley brand. And I think one of the things which is always been so important to me is to bring an element of beauty and fashion to hair. So I think, for me, it's not just about doing a great haircut. It's about doing something that's sensitive to the model, to the face, to the texture of the hair. And quite often I've found that if I've led myself in that direction, then I come up with something that looks fresh and interesting.
You had a wonderful journey with Vidal Sassoons, and now as Tim Hartley himself, you're developing. Have you found that since you've started this process that your creativity and your passion has opened up more?
Yeah, you're nowhere without your passion and your inspiration.
You're going to be at the summit that we're holding in 2012. Can you give us a little insight into what you're going to bring?
My goal is to make haircutting exciting, and that's what I'm going to bring. What I'd like to show are key elements of, cutting hair. So I'd like to show how the line is important to hair fashion at this moment in time, how layering is a high fashion look at this moment in time, how graduation is being interpreted in fashion at this moment in time. Mm-hmm. I think it's all about bringing everything into the now, and that's what we'll be doing. It's just gone a wee bit off kilter.
Too much. Touched by the hand of a master.
I know.
There you go.
Look at that.
Is this that
There you
sort of
go.
hair?
Oh.
Thank you.